Want a platinum bolt? Just go ahead. Titanium bolt. I always say platinum bolts for some reason. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Calm down, cowboy. This planet has some major problems relating missiles shot a bit later in it, and it's really annoying, believe me. So let me check the weapons. You have to get this one. It's a really good weapon actually, and I think I'm going to use it. Sorry about that. Did you guys notice that I sneeze a lot while making these videos? There's a trophy in case you guys didn't notice. Up there. Is it Dr. Nefarious? I think it is Dr. Nefarious.
Your trophies are displayed in the trophy room on the
and they say this information
trophies
once
can
again.
Be found in hidden locations or earned for impressive accomplishments.
Damn it. Better failed. Damn it! Fuck. Okay, no time for playing around then. I was trying to level up weapons. Oh my god, my neck is hurting a lot. No, Mr. Nice Guy. Damn it. Yep. Yeah. Sorry about that. My father was asking if I was recording and I had to say it, or else I would have to stop the recording. And I would really prefer not to have to stop and then do the recording things again to sync up the audio. It's kind of annoying. And that guy is annoying me too. Damn it. Oh, no more ammo. Okay, you guys are screwing with me and I hit that. And here it is. This weapon is so badass. No, I closed the dialogue. I wanted to change the weapon. Which weapon should I use then? Oh, no ammo. This weapon is a magnific addition to my arsenal. What? Oh, come on, what the fuck? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So pissed right now. Get away. Piece of shit. And revenge was served.
Hey, it's an escape pod. It must have come from the Star Cruiser. And look! Footprints! Someone else made it off that ship alive.
We must have just missed them. This pocket crotchetizer is still warm.
Ew.
A call was recently made using the pod's emergency communicator. There is a recording.
Supernova taxi.
I need a cab to come get me right away.
Whoa, this must be my lucky day. So where can I pick you up, sweet cheeks?
I'm on planet Zeldrin. Just look for the gigantic wrecked Star Cruiser. You can't miss it.
Rex Star Cruiser, huh? Yeah, you sound like a girl who knows how to party. What say you and me go to the cyber disco later on?
Watch it, buddy. I mean, don't get fresh with me.
Well, sorry, lady. I couldn't help myself. I mean, a woman like you in a dress like that.
Oh, this is something I threw together.
So where you headed?
I'll tell you that when you get here. And if you keep this quiet, there's another 5 bolts in it for you. Oh, one more thing.
You happen to have a spare charge pack for this thing?
P20 crotchetizer, huh? This gets better every second.
I should have known.
What? That Quark had a sister?
Huh? No, that he's still alive. That was Quark.
Oh. But why did he not report back to the Phoenix?
Because he wants us to think he's dead. I don't like it, Clank. Until we know what Quark is up to, we should keep this quiet. If the Q-Force finds out that Quark ran out on us, they might lose hope.
I understand. I do not like it, but I understand.
Hey, what's he got there?
It is a data disk. Quark must have taken it from the Star Cruiser.
That must be what he went back for. Let's get back to the Phoenix and decode it.
Okay, I need to stop just a second, guys. Oh, come on. So, sorry about that, guys. My girlfriend was calling me, so I had to... well, to answer the phone. That's what the good boyfriend does, I think. Let's try to annihilate her here. Stop moving around. These guys are so fucking annoying. Also, always attacking the back, and that's the thing that I hate. Now the annihilator will probably get kinda mad here. See? It won't even fire at the enemies, it will fire to the floor. Oh, damn it. See? Oh, great. Of course I died. Thanks to the glitched up. This is one of the worst glitches I can find in this collection. Oh, damn it. That was a fail. But this is an awful glitch, it is. It is so annoying. It really is, because it causes death. Even more than once. Dude, why aren't you aiming? Why is the game so screwed up? I'm leveled up. Damn it. And I hate these headphones. Lately I've been making my hair go inside my ears, and that's so annoying. Let me just adjust my hair. Damn it, it's so freaking annoying. And I even cut off my hair yesterday, so I don't get why the hell this is still happening. See, the other weapons do work. Oh, I have 69 HP. My favorite number. Fuck you. Since I can't use the annihilator, I won't stand here and get my ass punked because of stupid glitches. I don't know if there's a skill point for killing those pterodactyls like there is in Ratchet Clank 2. Maybe there is, I don't really remember.
Hi, Sarge. We were wondering if maybe you wanted to come hang out with us on planet Aridia. It is H22's birthday. We're having a party.
I don't know. Sounds more like a battle than a party.
I told you we wouldn't go for it.
You guys just hang in there. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Time to go to Aridia then. And actually is a recurring planet from Ratchet Clank 2, if you guys haven't noticed. Aridia is that dark planet. that has the sand sharks. And I'm in space. Okay, time.
Got here just in time, Sarge. Looks like the Noids are getting ready to attack through those tunnels.
Time to kick some ass. Wait, I have an idea.
Incoming! Waste those Tyrannoids!
Damn it, guy, I'm here. Wait, I'm here. Stop going that way. This is fun. I don't think you actually get a skill point for doing this. Killing some enemies. Yep, there's a skill point. Okay, I don't think there's any more need to use this tactic. Oh, I didn't even ever level up this weapon a single time. Oh my god. I got so little XP actually. Oh well. Oh damn it. A guy trying to level up some weapons and he can't even do that. Seems that I don't have much of a choice, do I? Annihilate her in your chins.
Alright! Mission accomplished. It's a good thing the Rangers were here to pull your tail out of the fire, hey Sarge?
Yay.
Sarge, we got Noids all over the place! We need backup! I don't wanna die!
Calm down, you wuss.
These Noids are more coordinated than we've seen before. Maybe we get something new here.
Sometimes it's kind of hard to hit the enemies because they're moving and the missiles.
Resources.
I think you guys get it if you ever played this game.
The Noid dropships!
Yay, dropships. Still not over by the looks of it. Is that the last guy?
Thanks, Sarge. You got Got here
Yep.
just in time. We're falling back to base to regroup. Looks like you're going solo on
So
this
I need
mission,
to kill
Sarge.
the
Yeah,
green,
Squad's got a mandatory aerobics class we
the
can't
green
miss.
guys.
Anyway, get those fluoride scum sacks out whooping for us.
He's dead. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going to try a skill point. Oh shit! Well, there goes my skill point. I want to do the skill point that you need to hang up 2 seconds in the air.
This reminds me of the Battle of Hamachi Flats back in 23, when I took on an army of ghost pirate robots with nothing but a black array and a half-charge crotchetizer. Is that why some of the older guys call you cabin boy, sir? All units maintain radio silence. That must have been a real feather in your cap, Chief. Keep talking, J31. We'll see how you like
Oh shit, I didn't notice the guy was over there. See this big bridge over here? If you have a car and you go fast through it, you can achieve a skill point.
Mission accomplished.
Yay.
All Rangers regroup and get ready to take back the valley.
Reclaim the valley.
Sarge, we need to activate those turrets to create a defensive perimeter around the valley.
Shit. Yay. First one reclaimed.
Maybe we should stick around here and guard this turret. You know, in case the Noids try anything sneaky. You can handle the rest yourself. How's it going, Sarge? You don't need any help, do you? Oh, sorry. Break it up. I'll call back later. Go, Sarge. 3 down, 1 to go.
Is this the last one? Looks like it.
All right, perimeter
Yep.
secured. Another victory for the Rangers. Hey, maybe you should try pulling your own weight next time, Sarge. We got
End
the
game.
Noids on the run. If somebody could push through those tunnels, you could launch a direct assault on the enemy base. There's room full of Noids up ahead, Sarge. You go in and clear them out. Fine. And cover the rear. Incoming saucers!
Okay, that was a major fail.
Noids are coming over the bridge. There's a Terranoid ship job. Inform command that Outpost X-12
Okay.
has been secured. Hey, Sarge, over here.
What the?
Pretty cool, huh? It's called a warp pad. Great for running away. Yeah, I got an extra one.
And back we go to the Phoenix.